Hello students. Today we will be learning about Microsoft Office Word 2007. Students, can you tell me what is Microsoft Office Word 2007? Microsoft Office Word 2007 is a word processing program of Microsoft Office, which helps us to type letters, books, applications, stories, poems, creating documents, and making report. There are many different versions of MS Word. They are Word 95, Word 97, Word 2000, Word 2003, Word 2007, Word 2010. Word 2013, Word 2016, 2019. So, in this video, we will be learning about Word 2007. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Office Word. First, we will be clicking on the Start button. Next, we will click on All Programs. Students, click on Microsoft Office option, then find Microsoft Office Word 2007 and click on the option to open MS Word, that is Microsoft Office Word 2007. And now you can see this is how MS Word looks like. At first, have a look at it, students. As you can see, there are tons of buttons and options and menus. Don't let them confuse you. I am going to show you just the components that you need to know in MS Word. So, at the very top of MS Word window, you will see the title bar which says Document 1 Microsoft Office Word. Later on, when we learn how to save our files, your file name will change instead of Document 1. In the upper left corner, we have our New Office button. It is used to save, print, or open a new document and so on. After the title bar, we will move on to the ribbons. The ribbons is Microsoft Office new menuing system. It makes it much easier to find most commonly used commands. The ribbons is grouped into different tabs, that is the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, Reference, Mailings, Reviews, View, and Add-ins tab. The tab that you are on might change automatically based on what you are doing. Each tab is further organized into groups. For example, Home tab, you will find clipboard group, a font group, etc. The groups have further organized buttons and commands. Most of the commands on the ribbons are simple buttons. For example, to center the text, you simply click on the button. Whereas some of the commands are drop-down menus. For example, to change font, you click on the little down arrow here and that will open up as a drop-down menu. In upper left corner next to Office button, we have Access toolbar. It has only a couple of buttons on it such as Save, Undo and Redo. Down at the bottom of the screen, we have the status bar. The status bar shows you things like how many pages are there, how many words are in your document. Next to status bar are the view buttons. The buttons let us change the way we view our document. In the bottom right corner of our window, we find our zoom controls. You can use these controls to zoom in or zoom out of your document. On the right side of the screen, you will find your scroll bar. We use the scroll bar to move up or down through our document. We have two types of scroll bar, horizontal and vertical scroll bar, depending on the size of your window. And this is our workspace. This is where we create our document. Now students, we have finished learning the components of Microsoft Office Word. Now let's learn how to create a new document. First, click on the Office button, then click on the New button. Now, click on the blank document option and then click on Create option. Once you have finished creating a document, now let's see how to save a document. First, we have to click on the Office button and then click on Save As option. Then click on the location where you want to save the file, for example, desktop, documents or any other drive. Then type the name of your file. For example, I have saved my file as MS Word Practice, as you all can see on the screen, students. And then click on Save button. Or else click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. As you can see on the screen here, as we mentioned while learning the components of the MS Word, it is there in the upper left corner of your screen. Or simply click on Ctrl+S on your keyboard and then type the file name and click on Save button. Now students, let's learn how to close a document. First, click on the Office button and then click on the Close option. The file will be closed. Now, let's see how to open an existing document. Students, can you tell me what is an existing document? Okay, I will tell you. Existing documents means the document which is already being created by us. For example, I want to make a changes in my document which I had already been created. So, to open my existing document, first we will click on the Office button, then click on Open option. Then select the location where the file had been saved and choose the file and then click on the Open button. Students, let's learn what is aligning the text. Alignment refers to the placement of text within a document relative to the page margins. There are 4 types of alignments in MS Word. They are left, right, center, and justify alignment. Left alignment is used as the default alignment. The center alignment is used for headings. The right alignment is used for the special cases, and the justify alignment is used to adjust the spacing to form an even right margin. This makes the text appear neat. So now we have learned what is aligning the text. Now let's take an example of it. Let's align the text good morning. So here first we will select the text, then click on the home tab and then select any of the alignment. If we select the left align, then your text will appear on the left side of your document. If we select the center align, then your text will appear in the center of the document. And similarly, if we select the right align, the text will appear to the right side of the document. Now, let's see what is bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering is very important feature in MS Word. It helps you to make points in your writing. This feature allows you to give either numbers or bullets to your writing. Numbers can be numerals or English alphabets, and bullets are special symbols used to segregate a list. Now let's see how to use them. To apply bullets on the text, first click on the Home tab. Then click on the bullet button and then you can select the desired bullets from the bullet library. So here in bullet library we have filled bullets, hollow round bullets, filled square bullets, star bullets, arrow bullets, check mark bullets. So students, see here, for example, I have used arrow bullet. So now we will see how to do numbering on a text. First we will click on the Home tab, then click on the numbering button, then select the desired numbering from the library. So here in numbering library we have numbers, Roman numbers and alphabets. So for example, here I have used number 1. So now let's learn what is formatting text. MS Word allows you to apply certain effects to make your document more beautiful and interesting. Formatting text on MS Word involves tasks like bolding the text, italicizing the text, and underlining the text. These formatting tasks are found on the Home tab in the Font group. So, select your text and then click on the required formatting button to see the effects. So, let's learn how to use them. First, we will learn how to apply bold to a text. Bold allows you to darken a particular text than the other text. So, first select on the text that you want to darken, then click on the Home tab, then click on the bold button as you can see your students on the screen, or simply press Ctrl plus P button on your keyboard. And so now you can see students, the text will be turned into a bold form. Second, we will learn about how to apply italic to a text. Italic allows you to slightly slant a text you desire. So first, we will select the text, then click on the Home tab, then click on the italic button here on the screen you can see students, or simply press Ctrl plus I button on your keyboard. And so now you can see your students, the text is turned into a italics form. Now we will learn how to underline a text. Underline allows you to underline the text on your document. So first select the text, click on the Home tab, then click on the underline button here as you all can see, or simply press Ctrl plus U button on your keyboard. So now you can see your students, the text is in an underlined form. Now students, here is a practical for you. In the first question, you have to create a document which contains the detail of your school. And in the second question, you will have to create a Word document which contains the list of your friends in the class. You will use bullet option. So now we will learn about inserting picture, clip art and word art. MS Word 2007 provides the facility to insert different objects in a document in the form of a picture, clip art or word art. So now let's learn each of it one by one. First, we will see how to insert a picture in our document. A document can be more attractive with pictures. So, to insert a picture, first we will click on the Insert tab, then click on the Picture option here. Select the desired picture from the Insert Picture dialog box. So, after clicking on the Insert button, the picture will be displayed on the screen. Now, we will see how to insert a clip art. So students, clip art is a picture or a graphic image. So, to insert a clip art, first we will click on the Insert tab. Then, select the clip art option here. The clip art task pane appears on the right side of the window. So, you can see here students. Then, click on the Go button here and then click on your desired clip art image. Next, we will see how to insert a word art. So students, word art is a predefined text format with a well-defined font size. So here, first we will click on the Insert tab, then select word art option here, then select a style from the word art drop-down list. After selecting a style, you will get the Edit WordArt text window like this. You can see here. In this, you have to type a new text. For example, I have written St. Mary's Malankara High School. After typing your text, click on the OK button. So, once you click on the OK button, the edited text will be displayed on the screen that we typed in the Edit WordArt text window. So students, here is another practical for you. In this practical, you will open a new document and type few lines on my favorite animal. In this, you will write the heading My Favorite Animal in WordArt and insert an image of your favorite animal using clip art. So, next we will learn how to insert page number for a document. Students, you must have seen the page numbers written on the bottom left corner of your textbooks, right? So, now we are going to insert a page number on your document. So for that, we have to click first on the Insert tab and then select the page number. Then select the desired options. When you select the desired option, the page number will be inserted on the desired position of the page of your document. Next, we will learn how to draw shapes in MS Word. So, to draw shapes in MS Word, first we will click on the Insert tab, then click on the Shapes, and then choose your desired shapes from the following. Then click and drag the mouse on the screen and then release the mouse. In this way, the desired shape will be appeared on the screen. Now, let's learn what is subscript and superscript. A subscript or a superscript is a character such as a number or a letter that is set slightly below or above the normal line of text. It is usually smaller than the rest of the text. Subscripts appear at or below the baseline, for example H2O. Here 2 is the subscript and superscript are above the line. For example 12 June, here TH is a superscript. So to apply superscript, we will take an example of the text 15th Annual Day Celebration. So now we will apply superscript for the text that is TH. First we will select the text for which we have to apply the superscript that is TH. Then click on the Home tab. Then click on the superscript button here. Superscript will appear on the screen. Now we will learn how to apply subscript. For that, we will take an example of the chemical formula that is H2O. Now let's see how to apply subscript for the number 2. First, we will select the text that is 2. Then click on the Home tab. Then click on the subscript button here. Then the subscript will appear on the screen. Now students, here is another practical for you. Here you have to type the following equations using subscript and superscripts. Now we will learn how to create tables in MS Word 2007. Tables are used to present a given data in the form of rows and columns. There are 3 ways to create a table in MS Word 2007. Now the first method is click on the Insert tab, then click on the Table option here, then Insert Table Grid by selecting number of rows and columns you need. So as you can see students here, table will appear on the screen. Now the second method is click on the Insert tab, then click on the Table option here and then click on the Insert Table option. After selecting the Insert Table option, you will get the Insert Table box in which you have to type the number of rows and columns you need and then click on the OK button. Once you click on the OK button, the table will appear on the screen. Now the third method is click on the Insert tab, then click on the Table option, then click on the Draw Table option here. Then you can draw the table on the screen. So students, this is the last practical for you. Here you have to insert a table in which you will prepare a list of teachers and subjects taught by them. Thank you students for watching the video.